Millennial Philippines 2019 is brought to you by Potency, Mega Sound Smart Pro Videoke, Philippine Airlines, Efficacent Oil, Nescafe Creamy White, and Lola Remedios.
Excited na magiging pagsalan
Oh, yes! Catanduanes!
Yes! Isa sa 5 probinsya na bago sa Miss Millennial. First time tayo pupunta,
Oh,
first
mami.
time tayo makikichikahan.
First time tayo makikitikim ng pasalubong.
At
Ano
first
bang
time
meron
natin makikilala ang
dun?
kanyang representative.
That's right. Eto na, kilalanin natin. Miss Millennial Catanduanes 2019, Angeli Pasher.
Get ready to enjoy as we see the Happy Island with Binibining Catanduanes 2018. Angeli Pasher, Miss Millennial Catanduanes 2019.
Maugmang otso sa Indo, mga Dabarkat. Have you been dreaming about Catanduanes? Because Catanduanes has surely been dreaming about you. From the Abaca capital of the Philippines and the land where happiness never ends, I bring to you the happy island of Catanduanes. I feel very honored po to be representing my province. And yes, it's our first time, but I know I stand not alone on this stage. I know I have my 260,000 fellow Catanduanons with me here.
260,000.
Yes po.
Teka, baka sabihin nila hindi ka Pinay kasi daw English speaking ka. Ano bang background mo?
So I grew up po in Australia, but my blood and my heart is Katandunganon po.
Yun naman pala. Kaya medyo hirap lang siyang magtagalog. Pero nakakaintindi naman po siya ng Tagalog. Angeli, ang Catanduanes daw ay Happy Island ang tawag sa kanya.
Yes
Bakit?
po.
Bakit siya tinawag na Happy Island?
We have many reasons as to why we're called the Happy Island. So, of course, the people is number one, but also happy is a tourism slogan which we use. So, the acronym for happy is H stands for Home of the Green Biodiversity. So, we are surrounded by mountainous terrains, and we are the Abaca capital of the Philippines. A stands for we amplify our faith and culture. So, we have a lot of historical and cultural sites. P stands for pack up your things and go to the beach. So, of course, being an island, we are surrounded by many beautiful beaches. And the second P is for picture perfect island wonders. So, for this perfect Instagrammable pictures. And Y is you only live once, so adventure is waiting for you at Catanduanes.
YOLO.
Opo, YOLO.
You only live once.
Opo.
Abaca capital of the Philippines.
Yes po.
Totoo bang 87% of the world's Abaca
Abaca.
needs
Yes
nagagaling
po.
sa Catanduanes?
Opo, so we are not just tagged as the Abaca capital of the Philippines, but also of the world.
Of the world.
Wow.
Ano
Okay,
kaya?
we've never been there. Kaming dalawa ni Luan.
At
Paano
saka
pa
since
pumunta?
first time din naman natin talagang kasama ang Catanduanes. How do we go to Catanduanes?
So we have two options po of how to get to the Happy Island. So you can catch a direct flight from Manila to Legazpi, and then from there you'll take the ferry boat, which takes 4 hours. Also, we have a land option, which is from Manila, a 10-hour drive. And then again, you'll be at Tabaco Port, which is a 4-hour ferry boat ride again. Adventure is just around the corner and happiness never ends. Let's find out why we are called the Happy Island. Marana sa Paraisong Isla, Catanduanes! Our province is known as the Abaca capital of the Philippines. And aside from this, we have many beautiful destinations to offer, which you will love most. Kaya samahan niyo ako sa magayunon as in maugmang isla ng Catanduanes. I am here in Fertility Island in Bagamanok. It is believed in Catanduanon folklore that this islet is a symbol of Horokog's undying love for his mortal wife. For sure, you will be amazed by the fascinating views of Nahulugan Falls here at Higmoto. One of the coolest rock formations here is Patag Islet, found in the municipality of Bato. never forget to visit Museo de Catanduanes. Here in Abijo Point, you will see the beauty of our landscapes and our seascapes. The Deborah Cats, a must-to-do when you're here in Catanduanes is to visit and be blown away by the breathtaking views of Binurong Point. If you love the beach and adventure, Twin Rock Beach Resort is the place to go. Woo! Super solid! You guys have to try! If you're looking for white sandy beaches and surfing activities, tara na sa Puraram Beach. Come on guys, try natin mag-surf! Make sure to visit the Happy Island where happiness never ends. This is just a taste of the beauty of my province. I am Angeli Pasher, your Miss Millennial Catanduanes 2019.
Bundok na yan.
Yung,
Gusto ko yung parang rock formations.
Pag beginner ba yung mag-hike, kaya naman?
Kaya po, worth it po talaga yung view.
How long does it take to hike up?
So, depending on your range
Okay,
po of walking.
on your pace?
Pag beginner yung hiker, mga ilang oras?
Hindi naman po oras.
Hindi oras.
Hindi. Mga 40 minutes po.
40 minutes.
Hindi oras, kayang-kaya yun.
Mabuti na nga at napasali ang Catanduanes sa Miss Millennial kasi kung hindi natin makikita yung
Opo.
ganda ng
Yes.
probinsya mo. You were saying na isang portion lang ng island yung naipakita mo dito sa VTR.
Yes po. So that is just a taste of what we have to offer in Catanduanes. We have still got a lot to cover. That is just a small piece po.
Wow.
Sabi ni Angeli, kung gusto nyo talagang makita lahat ng magagandang sites, 3 to 4 weeks.
Yes po, to fully enjoy the beauty.
So, piling-pili lang talaga yung
So,
gagawin
isang
ninyo
buwan
dapat.
kang magstay sa Catanduanes bago mo maikot lahat ng pwede mong makita
At parang
sa
I don't mind kasi
Catanduanes.
nakita mo ba yung mga pasalubong? Meron tayong
Nandito ako sa
latik.
tabi.
Yes po. Meron tayong latik dito which is the suman, Angeli.
Yes po.
Tapos nilalagyan siya ng ito parang coconut sauce.
Coconut sauce
Latik.
po.
Ito yung latik sauce niya. Parang
Opo.
masarap yun.
Oo, mamaya titikman natin yan.
So maliban sa latik, ano pa yung mga pampasalubong na pwedeng dapat tikman from Catanduanes?
Okay po. So our number one delicacy po, yes, is latik. So
Latik.
that is our main delicacy that pinapamalaki po namin sa Catanduanes. But we also have the pili nuts, which
Yes, because you're in Bicol.
yes po, Bicol
Pili
region.
nuts.
And there's a lot of different flavors and varieties as to how pili nuts is cooked. And then over here po, we have the taro chips.
Taro chips.
Yes po, which actually it is planted under the puno ng abaca.
Okay.
Ah.
And healthy snacking.
Super healthy po,
Diba?
so you can eat it without feeling guilty because there's no preservatives and it's super, super healthy po.
At since Abaca capital of the Philippines ang Catanduanes, ang dami nilang
Yes po.
products
Ano-ano ng
made of
products
abaca.
yung nagagawa ninyo from abaca?
So abaca po, it can be used in clothing, it can
Yes.
be used in textiles, paper money. We actually export a lot of abaca worldwide. It's exported in Europe as well as Asian countries. And also over here, we
Go ahead,
have
Angel.
our well-being section of abaca extract. So you've got your soaps, your shampoos, and your conditioners made from abaca extract po.
May
Alright.
abaca soap.
Opo.
Gusto ko amuyin. Gusto ko amuyin. Saan yun abaca soap?
So this one po.
Ano naman ang
The abaca soap po is
Bango.
very natural. So you've got the benefits of the raw extract of abaca. So you've got that, you'll have that soft, glowy feeling. Opo. And peppermint and coconut po.
Julia, thank you din sa mga kababayan ni Miss Millennial Catanduanes para sa mga pasalubong, lalo na po sa tourism at local government ng Catanduanes.
Thank you for coming over to APT Studios. I-follow lang si Miss Millennial Catanduanes sa kanyang social media accounts to know more about her province. May regalo ka, Angeli, mula sa kasama namin naghahatid ng Miss Millennial Philippines araw-araw, katulad ng Potency, the Beauty of Immunity.
At may matatanggap ka rin Mega Sound Smart Pro Video Key Experience Music and more. May more than 18,000 songs ka na may free 2-year song update pa.
Ayan, Angeli, pwede mo nang i-practice
Opo.
yung mga favorite songs mo when you get
Kumanta
home.
ka na ng kumanta.
Meron ka rin efficient oil, araw-arawin mo. Ang Miss Millennial Philippines ay inhatid din ng Nescafe Creamy White. Mas masarap ang buhay pag walang pait.
Ng Lola Remedios, all-natural supplement Lola Remedios, Remedios ng Pinoy.
At ng Philippine Airlines. Fly with Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.
Maraming salamat din sa H&M Clothing.
What you've seen is just a taste of the Happy Island. You've seen me tour, now it's your turn to visit the Happy Island. Maranasa, Paraisong Isla, Catanduanes.
Happy Island. Maraming salamat. Miss Millennial Catanduanes, Angeli Pasher. Thank you.
Abangan pa, Dawarkas, ang iba pa nating papasyalan katulad ng Camsur.
Ano pa?
Maguindanao
Ano
at
pa?
Lanao del Norte. Na first time din natin bibisita.
Ang Lanao del Norte.
Yes.
Exciting din yan.
At lahat ng yan dito lang sa
Miss Millennial